In the name of Allah, who is the most beneficent and the most merciful to all. शुरू अल्लाह के नाम से जो बड़ा मेहरबान और नहायत रहम वाला है. Class, what's the date today? 9th April 2020. 9th April 2020. And what's the day today? Thursday. What's the day today? Thursday. Now sing a song with me. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday comes again. Class, how is the weather today? Sunny day. How is the weather today? Sunny day. सन की शेप कैसी होती है? सर्कल. एंड सन का कलर कैसा होता है? येलो. फर्स्ट वी विल रिपीट लेटर ए. ए apple. A apple. A alligator. A alligator. A apple. A alligator. A. What is this? Letter A. A ant. A ant. A apple. A aeroplane. Ant, apple, aeroplane. What is this? Class, what is this? A. And what is this? Apple. A apple. A apple. A apple. A alligator. A ant. A aeroplane. A apple. A alligator. A ant. A aeroplane. What comes after letter A? Letter B. What comes after letter A? Letter B. Butterfly. Butterfly. Ball. Ball. Butterfly. Ball. What is this class? A B. A apple. B butterfly. A apple. B butterfly. A apple. B butterfly. What is this? Letter B. What is this? Letter B. Bird. Ball. Basket. Bird. Ball. Basket. A B. A apple. A alligator. B ball. B butterfly. What comes after letter B? Letter C. What comes? Letter C. Today we will learn letter C. What we will learn today? Letter C. Seek a cat. Seek a cat. Seek a cat. Seek a cake. Do you like cake? Yes, I like cake. Seek a cat. Seek a cake. Letter C. What we will learn today? Letter C. Seek a cat. Seek a cake. Look at this. What is this? Letter C. What is this? Letter C. Seek a camel. Seek a candle. Seek a cat. Cat. What is this? Cat. Camel. Candle. A B C. Seek a cat.